Regenerative medicine is a fascinating and rapidly growing discipline which looks to understand the body's ability to heal. The body naturally has an ability to heal, but with diseases, age, amongst other things, this ability reduces. And regenerative medicine is looking to understand how to unlock that ability, how to restore functionality and repair tissues and organs, and thus create a much better quality of life. Regenerative medicine is unique in the facet that it can be truly personalized. It can look to understand an individual's condition and provide a treatment pathway that is best suited for that patient and thus lead to a better outcome. It's also great because it's not looking to solve a problem with a specific drug or treat a specific symptom, but is looking to restore the functionality of the original tissue.